Welcome to Bike News. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at the Honda Shine 125 2026 model. A bike that has remained one of the most trusted and practical options in the commuter segment for years. Honda's Shine series has always focused on reliability, mileage, comfort, and long-term durability. For 2026, Honda has introduced several important upgrades in design, engine refinement, features, and riding experience. In this video, we'll explore everything about the new model, its styling, performance, features, mileage, comfort, pricing expectations, and how it stands in the growing 125cc commuter market. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 comes with noticeable updates in design compared to the previous version. Honda has given it a more refined and slightly sportier look, while still preserving its core commuter identity. The new body panels are slimmer and more streamlined, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. Updated graphics add a fresh appeal and help the bike stand out without feeling overstyled. The front section now features a brighter and more focused LED headlight system, offering better visibility and a more premium appearance. The indicators have also been redesigned to be more compact, enhancing the bike's overall front profile. At the rear, the sleek tail lamp design gives the Shine a contemporary and elegant commuter look. Honda has also expanded the color options for 2026, adding matte, glossy, and dual-tone finishes that make the bike visually attractive for a wide range of riders. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the 2026 Shine continues to use Honda's trusted 125cc fuel-injected engine. But with improved ECU tuning and better combustion efficiency, these changes make the throttle response smoother, delivering better low-end torque and enhancing city rideability. The engine is known for its refinement, something that has always been Shine's strongest point, from startup to higher speeds. The vibration levels remain very controlled. The clutch is light and easy to operate, making stop-and-go traffic much more comfortable. Although it still comes with a 4-speed gearbox, the gear shifts feel smoother compared to earlier models. The power delivery is balanced, designed specifically to suit daily commuting needs. It's not overly aggressive, yet it never feels underpowered. Whether it's short office trips or medium-distance rides, the engine performance stays consistent and practical. New features and upgrades. Honda has added several useful and everyday-friendly features in the 2026 Shine. The updated instrument cluster uses a digital analog layout that displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, service reminders, and an eco-indicator for fuel-efficient riding. A major safety upgrade is the side stand engine cutoff, now becoming a standard feature across modern commuter bikes. Braking performance has been enhanced as well. The front disc variant offers more confidence and better stopping control, while the rear brake feels smoother and more predictable. The suspension set up telescopic front forks and a 5-step. Adjustable rear shock has been tuned to handle uneven roads and potholes effectively, providing a more stable and comfortable ride. The seat cushioning has been improved for long rides, and the ergonomics are designed to keep the rider in a relaxed posture. The handlebar height, foot peg placement, and seat angle all contribute to a comfortable riding triangle. Pillion comfort has also been improved with better padding and support. Mileage and ride quality. Mileage has always been the Shine's biggest advantage, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. Thanks to the updated fee system, the bike offers more consistent fuel efficiency. In real-world daily usage, the Shine 2026 is expected to deliver around 55 to 65 kilometers per hour, making it one of the most economical options in its class. The ride quality is equally impressive. The lightweight chassis makes the bike easy to handle in traffic, while its rigidity ensures stability on highways. The suspension tuning strikes a balance between softness and firmness, making it suitable for rough and uneven road conditions commonly found in South Asian cities. The Shine feels stable, balanced, and easy to maneuver. Price expectations and variants. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 is expected to arrive in two main variants, a drum brake version and a disc brake version. While the price may be slightly higher due to new features and improved design, Honda is likely to keep it within an affordable range to stay competitive in the commuter market. Since price sensitivity is very high in this segment, Honda typically aims for a balanced approach, offering value without pushing the cost too far. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 stands out as a refined, modern, and well-balanced commuter motorcycle. It offers everything a daily rider needs: excellent mileage, comfortable seating, a highly reliable engine, practical features, and premium touches without unnecessary gimmicks. The improvements in styling, braking, and ride quality further strengthen Shine's position as a top choice in the 125cc category. If you're searching for a dependable, economical, and long-lasting commuter bike, the Honda Shine 125 2026 model is easily one of the best options available.